In this video, we will show you how to install the Rhino-Rack Batwing awning. Make sure you have all the components ready to install. Please refer to the fitting instructions for the correct orientation of the plate nut on the underside of the bracket. Place the correct hardware into the bracket and finger tighten only. Be sure the brackets sit evenly and tighten to 4 to 5 Newton meters with a 13mm socket wrench. We recommend a 2-person installation. The easiest and quickest way to attach the Pioneer is to slide one of the brackets into the Pioneer accessory channel, then move the awning along the Pioneer to position the second bracket. Reposition the awning to the desired location, then tighten to secure. Be aware of the rear door opening and adjust the awning position accordingly. Install the pickup mounting points in the accessory channel at the rear of the Pioneer on the opposite side of the awning and tighten in place with the Allen key provided. And this secures the installation of the Rhino-Rack Batwing. Be sure all fixtures are secure before use.